What if the key to solving one of the world's most overwhelming environmental problems wasn't found in a futuristic lab or a billionaire's startup, but in the dark, damp corner of a trash dump? Deep under the University of Sydney, scientists discovered something extraordinary, a fungus that eats plastic, not just breaks it down, but turns it into food. No sunlight, no additives, just nature, quietly rewriting the rules. This fungus, identified as Aspergillus terreus, was isolated from a forgotten garbage heap and tested in complete darkness. Researchers filled sealed chambers with plastic and nothing else. No light, no oxygen, and waited. To their astonishment, the fungus didn't just survive, it thrived. Aspergillus terreus doesn't nibble at the plastic's surface like many bacteria. It digests it completely and transforms it into fungal biomass, rich in protein, safe for consumption by animals or possibly even humans. And it does so faster than anything else ever discovered. In under 140 days, plastic becomes protein, a quiet miracle. Traditional plastic-eating microbes can take years, but this fungus bypasses the slow lane. It doesn't need UV light or special enzymes. Its growth sweet spot sits between 35 Celsius and 40 Celsius. Temperatures typical of many environments. On Earth, this opens the door for applications in sealed landfills, underground bioreactors, and even spacecraft. Imagine converting oceans of waste into edible biomass. This could revolutionize how we think about garbage, food production, and survival logistics. Submarines, remote outposts, and space missions might one day recycle their plastic into nutritional supplements. Fungi could feed astronauts. But here's the catch. Aspergillus terreus isn't all hero. While it plays a promising role in biotechnology, it's also known to be a potential threat to human health. It produces airborne spores that can cause respiratory infections, especially in hospital environments or for immunocompromised individuals. Scientists must tread carefully. Despite its risks, terreus is a biotechnological powerhouse. It's already used industrially to produce lovastatin, a cholesterol-lowering drug, and even helps fabricate silver nanoparticles for drug delivery. Its ability to convert food waste into valuable acids gives it both economic and ecological value. However, unlike Aspergillus oryzae or Aspergillus niger, which are FDA approved as GRAS generally recognized as safe, Aspergillus terreus has not received the same stamp of confidence. Its dual identity, healer and hazard, demands rigorous containment protocols before any large-scale plastic-to-protein transformation begins. Still, with controlled conditions and strict bioengineering, the fungus could lead the charge toward a cleaner future. Not only could it help clean up the 8 billion tons of plastic humans have dumped into the biosphere, but it could also reduce the need for synthetic animal feed and fertilizers. The possibilities extend beyond our planet. The fungus's ability to function without light or oxygen makes it a candidate for extraterrestrial recycling systems. In the closed ecosystems of Mars bases or lunar habitats, plastic waste could become life-sustaining biomass grown silently in the dark. This is a story of scientific balance, The same organism that causes fungal infections in hospitals might one day solve global pollution. As researchers decode its genes and behavior, we must ask, are we ready to engineer a fungus that eats our trash and becomes our food? This discovery challenges what we know about waste, biology, and the future of sustainability. It's not just about recycling. It's about redefining the boundaries of life and resource management. With a single spore as the tipping point. If you found this breakthrough as mind-blowing as we did, subscribe to the Curious Order and join us on more deep dives into the wonders and weirdness of our world. What seems like science fiction today might be your dinner tomorrow.